Hi, welcome to Clue 23 of the Advent Crochet Along. This is the second to last clue. If you haven't been following along, you'll need to go back and do the previous clues to get to this point. So the last clue was to go around one more time and then go 23 stitches from the first one. And this is where we're going to start the handle. Now this is flexible. You can make the handle as thick or as thin as you would like. You can use any stitch that you want. I'm going to kind of give you the guideline. I like a little bit of a chunkier strap, and I like it to be long enough to wear it as a crossbody. My thought with this is you could either, in this bag, you could either put Christmas gifts in there to bring with you, and it would be nice to just kind of have it crossbody and you can walk in and everything's safe. And then another thing that I thought of, this might seem strange, but I thought of using this as a walk along crochet bag. So since there's an open top, it's not going to have a closing unless you put one on your own. I thought this could be something that you put yarn in, and then you put it across your body, and then you just have a piece of the yarn pulled up from here, and while you're walking, you can be crocheting. So, and that's what I think I'm going to do with mine. I have two of these now because I did a prototype, and I'll show you how the strap looks on the prototype. This was the one that I figured out the design on. See, I did a pretty thick strap. I ended up continuing to do the same stitch that we were doing before. It doesn't quite look as good when you go back and forth, because we're going to be going back and forth, as it does in the round. But I think I'm going to try a different stitch on this one, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. But you see how I like it nice and thick, and this is nice and long. So what I'll do here, did I already chain one? Nope. Maybe I did. No, I don't think I did. I just got myself all twisted up. So here's where the starting stitch is. I came around to here, stopped at the 23rd stitch. Now I'm going to chain one, and I'm just going to single crochet to the thickness that I would like for the strap. So let's count them. I'm at 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go 8, 7, 8. Okay, and then you turn. We're going to work this a row at a time. So I'm going to chain one, put a single crochet in the first stitch, chain one, skip one, go into the next one, and single crochet. Chain one, skip one, go into the next one, and single crochet. Chain one, skip one, go into the next single crochet, and then I'm just going to single crochet in the last one. I know with this stitch, people can do it with chains, ending the row with chains or starting the row with chains. I get too confused that way. So I like, when I'm doing any kind of pattern like this, I always like to make the first and last stitch a single crochet, no matter where it falls in the pattern. That way I can see the shape better. All right, so now I'm going to chain one and then put a single crochet in the first stitch, and then chain one, and then put a single crochet into the chain space of the previous row. Chain one, you're going to skip the single crochet, go into the chain space and put a single crochet. Chain one, skip that, go into the space, and then just put a single crochet into the last one. So that's what I'm going to do. You certainly can make any stitch that you want with your strap. So what I'm going to have you do is just make your strap the length that you want, Tomorrow will be easy peasy. I'll show you how to attach your strap on the other side, and then you'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching.